Morning, welcome back to the channel, Sean J&J Clean Solutions. Another block paving driveway today and some more Indian sandstone. Let's take a look. So here's the block paving, quite green in these sections, bits where it's shaded. We're going to do this first, then the sun will hopefully dry out and we get it sanded the same day. Bit of moss and stuff in here, blast it all out with a flat surface cleaner. Marks there. That's a new bit that they've had done, extended. And then through here is the Indian sandstone. So come through here. Quite a bit of black spot. But some hypo should bring all these back. Now this next section, this is where all was Indian sandstone, but the customers had this concrete wood effect patio laid. It looks amazing out here. We've had all the furniture put on it, so. And then some more sandstone. Going up here, again, black spot, but that should come out quite nicely. Some barbecue burn marks, probably won't come out. And then just tidy up around this area. So yeah, without further ado, without further ado, let's crack on. At this point we were using the flat surface cleaner, but the moss was so thick between gaps it wasn't getting rid of the moss, so we had to change to the turbo nozzle just to do this section, which was a good decision because we would have been there for ages. In this clip we had to reactivate the hypo because it was all starting to dry out, so we just covered it in water again just to get it all working again. Okay, chapasses, that's the job complete. So here is the results. Look at this, all dried out. So we're able to resand. These colours are popping now. And that sandstone on that step. Around here. And around here. We couldn't get rid of all the black spot after we treated some with neat as well, but it's come up a lot better than it was. Check that out. Put that burn mark out from under the barbecue. That's all come out nicely. Oh yeah, client should be really happy with this. So guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. More time lapse in this one. But yeah, I've got plenty more pressure washing jobs coming up over the next coming weeks. So there'll be some good videos. If you could like, subscribe, comment, that'd be absolutely amazing. Or if you haven't got this far. But great. Thank you very much. Take care. Enjoy your weekend. Peace.